Well, here's a little Project Resurgence update for you. Due to the government shutdown, we've ceased all activity on Project Resurgence. Kinda, sorta, not really. What originally started on this car as being a full restoration, utilizing all the parts out of the GT and all that stuff, decided to fix the GT instead. So some of the updates on this thing, had to get the engine back in the car. Found out that it was still making noise even after fixing the timing chain guide that was loose inside. And then ended up going ahead and saying screw it, went and got a new long block, put that in here, and now it runs great. Second gear shot, but it runs good. Still need to get a battery box after relocating the battery up to the front. But it runs good. Got to fix the exhaust on it. Well, which really means just putting the exhaust back on it. Little things like this stupid cold air with stuff plugged into it, but it is what it is. We'll fix that later. But the engine looks a lot better than it did before. Hardware's in the right spot. And yeah, it runs good. So it's pretty much all I care about right now. It's no longer going to be a complete strip down and restoration. It's going to basically be put back together, and I might do paint. I don't know, haven't decided. Getting all the tools for doing paint is kind of pricey and expensive, and I don't know how much or how many paint projects I've got going on in the future. But as you can see, scenery has changed. I'm no longer in El Paso, which is probably the second biggest reason for making this transformation. Well, number one is the GT got saved. Hey, there's the GT. As you can see, the quarter panel has been replaced completely. And yeah, did some work on the front suspension. So instead of Project Resurgence stuff, probably going to see more of this car with the Mega Squirt, the E85 conversion that we're going to do. Got the wideband O2 sensors over there that I'm going to put on there. And yeah, this thing's going to basically go back completely back together with corn. Yeah, did front suspension, got it squared away. It's got a new door, new fender, and new quarter panel. And then the last piece of the puzzle is this IRS knuckle that was bent. But aside from that, they knocked out this quarter panel job pretty amazingly. They killed it. Body gaps are almost perfect. They're not perfect, but they're close enough that for what happened to it, they did a pretty damn good job. Exhaust, crooked, but I got new tips on it, new mufflers, so this thing is way quieter than it was before. I got to put some new clamps on there to help straighten that back up and actually secure it into the rest of the exhaust. And then I got to get hangers made so it actually stays in place. But it's starting to look pretty good. Mach 1, well, no change with the Mach 1 right now. Except we might have, you know, some good, nice daily driver activities that are going to happen with it. So we'll see how that plays out in the future. But yeah, so Project Resurgence is no longer Project Resurgence. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it. Definitely going to put fenders and the bumper back on it. And then go ahead and get it to a good running and driving state to where we can move it around. And well, it can move around right now, but drive on the road legally. You know, and then the original owner that sold it to me, might be interested in buying it back, so we'll see how if he's interested in that still once I get it back together completely. And then yeah, don't know, not 100% sure what's going to be in store for it, but at the very least we saved it from being parted out and all that stuff like most of these cars get. So we'll see how she goes from there. But it runs strong, runs good. Need to put a new heat exchanger in there because it leaks like a sieve, and you know, make it 100% streetable. And then I got the old Taco here. Yep, Taco's doing good. I haven't 1JZ swapped this yet, so it's still stock. Yeah. I've only had this thing for 15 years. It's a good daily driver. Don't know if I fully want to mess with it, but I might. Who knows? And I got this behemoth back. So, yeah, so in the past few months, crazy things have happened. I say few months, it's been like a year. So, had a baby, moved from Texas to Virginia, and then yeah, fixed this thing. But yeah, she's pretty close to getting ready to go. Today I'm gonna actually swap out that knuckle, put in the exhaust clamps, and then straighten it up enough to where you can put hangers in it, and then it should just stay right in place. And then hopefully it doesn't readjust itself too much. And then get it tuned on ethanol and shoot for that magical 800 horsepower mark. We'll see.